Welcome to Little Paws of Iowa. Here we have Indy and Henri's litter of F1b mini English Goldendoodles. These puppies were born on April 23 and will be 8 weeks old and ready for homes on June 17. We expect these puppies to be 18 to 25 pounds when they're full grown. We will put their current individual weights by their updated 5-week pictures on the website. We will point out the smallest and the largest puppies in this video. There were 6 puppies in this litter, 2 males and 4 females. We'll start out with the males. Here in the brown collar, we have our first male, Bud. He is the largest puppy in this litter and has a fairly dark coat compared to the others. Here in the silver collar is our second male, Spike. He is the second largest puppy in this litter and has the darkest coat out of all of them. Here in the pink collar is our first female, Daisy. Daisy is the smallest puppy in this litter and has a light colored coat with white markings on her face. Here in the leopard collar is our second female, Lily. She is average size in this litter and has a cream colored coat. Here in the green collar is our third female, Sage. She is average size for this litter and has a solid cream colored coat. And lastly, in the yellow collar is our fourth female, Willow. She has a cream colored coat with white markings on her face and on her chest. She is on the smaller end of this litter. And that is Indy and Henri's litter of F1b mini English Goldendoodles. Again, they will be 8 weeks old and ready for homes on June 17. Go to our website, littlepawsiowa.com, for more information. Be sure to check out their updated 5-week pictures too.